Hi everyone, Habibi here. In my previous video, I was making a silly mistake. I was adding this script face towards me to a wrong camera, guys. I have added it to this camera on start scene while I don't need it. I need that script here on this multiplayer camera, so I will add it here on the multiplayer camera, not on the start scene camera. So I'm going to try to build the game again, and we can see is the script working or not. Okay, let's play this game and let's run this exe2 1. Let's play, and this one will be 2. Let's play. There is the player 2. You can see the text is always facing towards my camera, the player camera. And if you check this Windows standalone program, you can see the script is also working here. The text nickname text is always facing towards the player's camera. Okay, that's all for this video to complete my previous video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.